How to get started with Fliki. Select Files option from the top panel. Click on New File button. Enter the name of the file and select if it is audio or video and hit Create. This brings you to the script-based editor. First, let's explore the common scene, where you can add layers that will display throughout your entire video. The audio layer allows you to add background music to your video. Simply click on a Choose File to search or upload your background music. You can also adjust the volume and speed. You can also add a watermark to display throughout the video, an overlaying picture-in-picture, or a text layer to showcase text elements. Let's move to Scenes. Scene allows you to create and customize individual sections in your video. Through VoiceOver, you can convert your text into lifelike AI voices. Click on the voice name to select a different voice. Filter by language, dialect, gender. Hit the speaker icon to play a sample of the voice. Once satisfied, click on the voice and hit Select. In the right panel, you can control the volume and speed of the voiceover. Besides, you can customize the visibility, position, font, size, display, color for the subtitles. Next, the layout feature allows you to control how your media is displayed within the scene. You can add media, such as images or video clips, by clicking on the thumbnail icon. You can upload your custom media via My Library or search our stock library for the perfect media. In the right panel, you'll find various layout splits. You can choose the layout that suits your needs, and the most exciting feature is Auto-Pick Media. Enabling this option will automatically select media based on the text in your scene. You can enhance your scenes with text, picture-in-picture, media, and audio layers. Also, clicking on More and selecting Auto-Generate Next will automatically generate the next scene based on the context of the current scene. Highlight text to get options to adjust, tune, add pauses, or refine pronunciation. Sometimes, you may want to give a specific duration to a scene. By clicking on a More and selecting Custom Duration, you can define a custom duration for your scene. Fliki also introduces the powerful Convert feature, allowing you to transform different types of content into engaging videos. Through Convert, you can turn your ideas into visually stunning videos, convert your blog articles into captivating videos, transform PowerPoint presentations into dynamic videos, and even convert tweets into engaging video content. You can click on File Settings to change video format and zoom effect for images. Hit play in the bottom player to see a preview of the video. Finally, if you're happy with the preview, go ahead and hit Export and confirm. This will typically take a few minutes to process. You'll get a mail once the video is rendered. Sit back and watch your video. Your video is ready to download and share. This video was created using Fliki with the voice of Sarah.